Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In today's video, we will be discussing about another algorithm design technique, which is known as backtracking. So what is backtracking? This is also a technique that tries to find the optimal solution from the set of solutions. So in this, what we have to do is that we try to find the optimal solution by certain scenario. So there is a particular scenario which is given to us. If we try to get a solution and unfortunately the solution is not feasible, it is not calculatable. So in that particular scenario, what we do is we backtrack the step and try to find the solution from from the other possibilities. So it means that we may not be getting some feasible solutions or not feasible solutions, and we have to backtrack again. We have to change some strategy and try to find the solutions accordingly. So the best example for backtracking is n queens problem. So n queens problem is a problem in which we have to place n queens on n by n chessboard in such a way that no two queens should attack each other vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. So this is what we have to do. If we try to find the solution, if we don't get the solution, we backtrack and we try to find the solution again. So that's what n queens problem is. So we have to place n queens on n by n chessboard. So let me tell you guys, we will do 4 queens problem because we don't have solutions for 1 queens, 2 queens, and 3 queens problem. So 4 queens problem, how it is solvable. So we have, since I told that there is a 4 by 4 chessboard that we will have. So we have a particular chessboard in this way. We have So this is first, this is second, first, second, third, fourth. So this is 4 by 4 queens. So in this particular thing, we are going to put queens. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm putting first queens. So queen number 1 can be put up in row 1, queen 2, row 2, queen 3, row 3, and queen 4, row 4. So I'll start with q1. So I have put up q1 queen over here. Sorry. So, so in this particular case, queen 1 is placed on row number 1. So where we can place queen 2? So queen 2 has to be put up in second row, but where? Let's try to put q2 over here. But if I put q2 over here, this is a vertical attack. So obviously I cannot put q2 over here. If I put q2 over here, this is a diagonal attack. I cannot put q2 over here as well. So I'll rather put q2 over here. There is no vertical, diagonal, or even horizontal attack. This we have got. So this is q2. Let's go with q3. So if I put, guys, q3 over here, so if I put q3 over here, this is vertical attack, not feasible. If I put q3, diagonal attack, if I put Q3 over here, vertical attack, and if I put Q3 over here, again diagonal attack is there. It means that we have to backtrack. So what we have to backtrack? It means somewhere we have made mistake. Maybe Q2 position, if we change somewhere to the fourth part, maybe we can get a solution. So what we will do is we will try to get Q2 in some other place. So there was one only option for putting Q2. So Q2 is put up over here, right? Now let's try to put Q3. Maybe we can get the answer accordingly. So Q3, I cannot put over here, vertical attack. So this was Q2. So if I want to put Q3 over here, if I put perfect, this is a perfect scenario. There is no diagonal attack or a vertical attack over here. We can clearly put Q3 over here. So it's time to put Q4. So if I put Q4 over here, this is diagonal attack. If I put Q4 over here, vertical attack. If I put Q4 over here, a diagonal attack. If I put Q4 over here, again, this is known as vertical attack. So clearly, this is not getting the solution. See, I have checked all the possibilities for Q2. So we are not getting the answer on that. Let's change that strategy and place Q1 somewhere else. Maybe because of this backtracking, because we have already backtracked Q2 from here to here. So let's backtrack now Q1. So if we try to change the possibility of placing Q1, maybe we can get the answer accordingly. So let's do one thing. Let's do this process by taking some values over here and Q1, placing Q1 over here. So let's put Q1 over here. Let's try to put Q2. So Q2 cannot be put up over here, here, and here. Why? Because this is diagonal, vertical, and diagonal attack. So Q2 position I'm retaining as the last position. So let's take Q3. So Q3, if I put over here, so there is no vertical, diagonal, and horizontal attack. Perfect Q3 position. And if I want to put Q4, so Q4 cannot be put here, vertical attack. Q4 cannot be put over here. This is diagonal attack. Then Q4, if I put over here, there is no vertical, diagonal, and other attack. So this is a solution for N queens problem where we got the solution Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Q1 placed at second column, Q4 placed at fourth column, Q3 placed at first column, and Q4 placed at third column. So this is a solution for backtracking. Guys, there can be many solutions for by 4 by 4 or 8 by 8, but this is how your backtracking works, because if the solution is not found at one step, we can always backtrack and change the position of another state and try to get the solution. So hence we got the solutions by backtracking Q2 from one position to fourth position and Q1 from first position to second position. We did get the answer. If you have any sort of doubt, you can always put in comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very, very much.